rent-to-own vehicles or vehicles on contract, we are getting so many questions and people are confused technically. So what is a rent-to-own vehicle or a vehicle on contract? So a rent-to-own vehicle is a car which when you get from us, you work for it, or when you are working, as you are cashing in, the payments you're paying as cashing is the payment you're paying as buying the vehicle. All right. So there are a few requirements that you need to understand. So number one requirement is for you to qualify for this rent-to-own vehicle program, you need to be a member of Gotriips Yango. So you should be willing to work on Yango with that vehicle, right? If you're already on Yango, register with Gotriips Yango as your partner company. That makes you qualify for this program. Number two, you have to also register with the Online Taxi Drivers Association. Those are the guys that do the distribution of our vehicles. So we buy, we give it to them, then they do the distribution. We have reasons behind that. So when you register with Online Taxi Drivers Association, there is a program called Vehicle Chilimba program with the Online Taxi Drivers Association. So that Vehicle Chilimba program, you are required to make a contribution of 50 kwacha minimum. The higher contributions you make, you can make more than 50 kwacha a day, that is, or 1.5 a month, or more than that, because the more contributions you make, then you move up the ranks of getting the car, right? So once you do those two things, just those two things, then you qualify to get yourself a vehicle. So we provide vehicles on monthly basis. So we buy. So like last giveaway, we had over 10 vehicles that we gave out. So other benefits of being with Gotriips Yango is that you get free NHiMA that we pay for. That's your health insurance that we pay for. You get daily bonuses. So when you do 25 trips, which you are already doing, most of you, we're not saying go do 25 trips so that you get your 100 kwacha. No, we're saying whenever you do your 25 trips, get your 100 kwacha. We pay. Then when you do 150 trips per week, we give you 300 kwacha. So you end up to 600 plus when you work with Gotriips Yango as a young partner company as a driver. Other benefits is car wash is free twice in a month. You come to a car wash and you wash your car. Then for riders, we do 75 trips per week. You get yourself 300 kwacha. We also have top 5 riders of the week. That is, number 1 gets 500, number 2 gets 400, just like that. Then if you introduce another person, whether a driver or a rider, you get, for riders, you get a free raincoat when we introduce another rider to us when they do a few number of trips. For a driver, if you introduce another driver, you get a 500 kwacha if they do 500 trips. Don't forget that in the Copper Belt, if you're in the Copper Belt, we have top 15 drivers of the week. That means if you're amongst our top 15 drivers of the week, you earn at least number 1, 1,000, number 2, 800, and going down just like that. I'm trying to be very brief with this video because people are saying that our videos are too long, so they don't understand. So those are the requirements to be under. By the way, sorry, I forgot to say. By the way, the money that you're contributing is also part payment of the rent-to-own program. Like you're already purchasing the vehicle, that contribution of the Chilimba. I hope I answered most of your questions in a quickest possible way. If you fire more questions, we'll come back and answer as well. All right.